There we go. Yes. Out. Oh my god. Oh, is that a car over there? Oh, it's a person.
This thing is so warm.
Said that too loud. It's ops. No, I said ops. That helps a lot. That really does help. Oh man.
Curfew like this.
I zoomed in. I was zoomed out.
This might be the best lower face mask I have.
I wish I could just like fucking mount this fucking camera. She's flatter than flat Earth theory. Now walking through Triangle Park at night at 11. I don't know what fucking time it is.
Saratoga.
Saratoga. These bubbles make me horny.
Bublaze.
These look... Oh, dude, your shoes look so fucking awesome in this. They're like glowing.
Yeah,
Oh, wait till you see the footage.
I don't like the shoelaces. I ain't gonna cap.
Oh, they look so fucking nice though. Look at that.
Well, I did get new shoelaces for them, but then my dumbass forgot to read that it was 72 inches and they're for boots. So I gotta get new shoelaces again.
It looks like that kind of like material that if you like dropped water on it, it would literally just like melt off or some shit.
No, these are. You need to get them.
You said Dick's, right? I'm literally gonna go to Dick's.
Yeah, I'll take you there sometime. I'll show you. I'm telling you, man, it's magical.
I thought I saw a rabbit.
I wouldn't doubt it if you saw a rabbit. There's a lot of squirrels, rabbits, and wildlife here.
Oh shit. Now we're at fucking...
I can't remember what year it was.
Alright, so now we're at the DMV.
Yay, yay.
No one's here. I don't even know what time it is.
Time for me to get my dick sucked.
Yeah, he's going home.
Good night. Get yourself an Uber.
Is this the place where Ling Lings are? Supposedly that fucking place that had the dog.
Oh no, that's the other end over there near Taco Bell. Yeah, they got hit with having like dogs and cats in their freezers and stuff like that. They weren't selling it to the people, but it was like the owners were just consuming it themselves. But you know, obviously, you know, health violations and health codes or whatever the fuck. So they got hit hard with that. However, this joint got banging fried chicken.
Oh man.
For all you fried chicken lovers, it's where you go for some fried chicken.
Oh yeah, I used to go in there all the time.
It tastes better than sweet and sour pussy lips.
So now we're walking to the farmer's market, getting that steep that area. Put some more black lines.
Baby!
All right, now we are at the farmer's market. Books.
I think right here.
I'm not bullshitting you.
Okay.
I mean, if it was me, I'd be more bold. I'd literally put it right.
I wouldn't do that. That's too much dick move.
What if, imagine all the stickers we put up just fell off after we left.
Well, that's why I'm just, yeah, this can easily get off. We'll keep it for now.
It's cold too, so we'll freeze that shit on there.
Keep it for now. Different spot around here. See this? This would have been better. Let's find another spot. No, I'm not a piece of shit. I'm not gonna do that.